Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram branded content tools. As there are so many partnerships and collaborations on the app, Instagram has created a branded content tools in order to make it easier for people to know when content by creators is in partnership with a brand. Keep in mind that tagging brand partners is a different thing than you mention users in regular Instagram posts. What is more, you must have a business or creator Instagram account. So if you have the one, then follow these steps and you'll figure out how you can use branded content tools. Go to your Instagram profile page, click on the three lines icon in the upper right corner of your screen. After that, tap the settings icon at the bottom. If you have a business profile, then press on the business option, but if you are a creator, then choose the creator option from a menu. Tap the branded content section. Once the section opens, you will be able to see that the ability to manually approve tags is turned on by default, but you can toggle the slider to the left and turn off manual approvals. Consequently, you will allow anybody to tag you in the posts and stories. However, it is advised to keep the manually approved tags feature turned on. In this case, you will be able to review all of the incoming requests from users who want to tag you and create a list of approved business partners for the content creators or brands you work with. If you want to add a business partner, then simply press on the Approved Business Partners. Type in the name of the account you want to add. And hit Search icon. Once the account you would like to add appears, click on its name, and it will be added into your list of approved accounts. Keep in mind that you have to set up branded content tools before you start tagging businesses in your branded content posts. So go back to Settings, press on the Account section, scroll down until you see the Branded Content Tools option. Tap to open it. Click on the Get Tools icon. Once you enable branded content tools, start creating an Instagram post as you will normally do. Tap Next. Now find the Advanced Settings option and click on it. Hit the Tag Business Partner and find the account you want to tag. Press on it. Choose the Send Request option from the pop-up menu. Now wait until a user will notice your tag request and approve it. Once this account approves request to be tagged, the option of tagging an account will be clickable. So hit that account's name and publish your Instagram post. When you do it, you will see the paid partnership with phrase at the top of your post. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram branded content tools. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.